In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Camry key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You'll just need one of these CR1620 batteries to get it done. If you don't know where to get one of those, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then we can just get right into this. First step is to look on the back of the device, and where this little key ring is, right in the corner here, you can see there's that little slot in the plastic. Take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just twist the screwdriver. That will crack off this little back piece of plastic, and now we can use the same tool just to open this thing up. So you don't twist this, it kind of looks like that. What you actually do is pry it off. So insert the flathead in there and apply pressure so that it catches on the edge, and then keeping pressure on there, you just pull back. And now you can see the batteries under there. I'll show you that once more. It doesn't matter which direction you're coming from, you're just catching on the inside and pulling back. Now, you will need a special tool to remove the battery from here. You need something thin. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver. What we do is in the bottom here, there's a little space for you to put a tool so you can actually get under the battery. So you just insert this tool down to the bottom, and then you pry the battery out, and it will pop out very easily. You can probably get this done with something like a paper clip or a bobby pin, but I do recommend this. It just makes it very easy. If you don't have anything laying around the house to get this done, I will recommend this product, which is what I'm using. Just a couple different sizes of good quality precision screwdrivers, and this is just a couple bucks on Amazon. So I will also leave a link for that in the description. So once you have the right tool, just getting under the battery and prying it out is so easy. And when you get rid of your old battery and you're putting your new one in, make sure the positive side goes face up, and you will just simply pop it in there and push down. It'll click into place, and now we can put everything back together. So push the little disc back on there and just click the back of the device back on. And that is all it takes. It's super simple. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or just by giving this video a like so it can find other people and help them out too. And if you are ever changing another battery in any of your key fobs, remember that we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can also get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.